Yes, you're a good boy. A good old boy. Yes, you are. He lies down at night, so he's usually covered with shavings when he wakes up in the morning, because I think it's comfortable for him to get off his feet. This was flat, and there was a cottage behind this great big rock where one of the hired men lived. It was a wonderful cottage with a great big stone fireplace. And there was a building with 4 stalls. My nephew makes furniture. He's a teacher. He teaches shop, among other things. Look at this, incredible. Look at what he's done. He found an old plane, and they were just big enough to slide blocks of ice in. This building has double walls, and there was sawdust in between so that the ice would stay cold. And I can make reeds here when it's warmer. It's pretty cold in here, but this is.
And so in the summer you're in here like once a week.
In the summer, I'm in here for to make bouquets for farmers market and also for the weekend here. So it's Saturday, Sunday, and so we have 3 goats and Benji, and then I feel sorry for the chickens that live here because they're always underneath the ledge, and it's cold on their side. But the chickens down here are much luckier.